Today's financial tip is about passive income and its ability to create supplemental income for individuals to enhance their lifestyle both while working and in retirement. As defined by the IRS, this is when you make money from an enterprise where you're not materially involved. An important distinction to determine active versus passive income is what's called material participation. Material participation is defined as being continuous, regular, and substantial. The first rule is the amount of time worked. The second rule is the type of work you're performing. This is important because it determines what amount of expenses are allowed to be deducted for tax purposes. Active income expenses, on one hand, can exceed active income to create a net loss. Passive income losses, on the other, have limitations. You're generally not allowed to write off more expenses than income. Passive income is taxed at ordinary income rates, but is not subjected to Social Security and Medicare taxes, which could be very beneficial for your overall plan. So, what are the most common types of passive income? These sources include rental real estate, royalties, online courses that you've created, online ebooks you've created, renting out a room or personal property, which are all great ways to supplement and create that passive income. Now that we've defined what passive income is, let's look at how it fits into your long-term financial plan. The first step is to start with what lifestyle you're trying to accomplish. How much will that cost? Next, what income sources do you currently or anticipate having coming in the future? Pension, Social Security, etc. Then lastly, determine the amount of money you still need to accomplish your lifestyle. Once this shortfall is understood, you can then start creating a plan to accomplish it with passive income.
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.